Or your cereal.
What did I do?
Don't throw it out.
No.
Don't give it to Sparky.
Booty, booty, happy.
It's like sitting with my child over here. Make sure you eat. Make sure you go to the bathroom. Make sure you drink your juice.
I feel so bad.
I'm the only one that got stretch marks from giving birth to my husband.
Ma, Dad, did Mommy give birth to you?
What?
Am I your mother?
Yeah. Arab bitch.
Does he have to go to the bathroom?
Do you have to go to poop?
He go 2 times already. How many times you want?
Is that a poop? He waited down here this morning for his salami. Oh my God. He didn't come upstairs when I went up. He waited down there at the foot of the stairs and he saw me coming. He was like, wow, here she comes.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So the third time I came down, I had to give him a piece of salami. Now he sits in the living room now, waiting to see who's going to walk him after 3 pieces of salami.
He loves salami, and what's the other thing he loves?
Everything.
Well,
And bacon. He loves
and bacon. But he also loves human food, table food. That's why he always growls at us.
What is salami? That's not human food?
Oh yeah, that is human.
What is bacon? Is that not human food?
No, that's dog
But he
snack.
likes the human bacon better than he likes the dog.
I would.
Guys, take it easy. You're going to choke. Drink some tea.
So he doesn't have to hear you. That's why he's eating like that.
Really?
All right, you ready?
Now you can.
Not eating it. I'm going. Did you just do this? I said I'm going with. It's like
I don't care.
I don't know.
Oh, so you don't love me anymore?
Hey, I can love you tomorrow, my poor bear.
What is that?
I know what he's singing.
Yeah, sing the partridge. I think I love you. So what am I so afraid? No. But that's the Greek version of it.
Oh, that was great, Dad.
Kurus Diner, you know Kurus Diner? It's in the horse today.
Kuro's Diner?
With the Habibi girl?
Yeah, your girlfriend. You gonna put a jacket on?
Yeah, it's probably cold.
It is.
All right.
Is it a little chilly out there, Gus? Why don't you go inside?
Because I was waiting for you, because knowing you would get an umbrella.
I didn't get a wagon.
A wagon. What? Then it's over there then.
I thought when you first came here, you were taking a picture of you and Andy shopping in HEB. That was funny.
When did I do that?
When you first came down here, you had it on that laptop.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I could see you getting in the car and going over there and seeing how the store was and blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. There's no traffic out here. This is fucking great.
Well, it is Sunday, so.
I know, it's nice.
What's in that one? What's in that one? Sparky's sticking his nose. Sparky was sticking his nose in the bag.
Ready? Here.
Boo!
Oh. Are you okay, babe?
This is how we get stuff in the closet. We stand on the chair.
Oh.
This is how Sparky waits for food.
No, he doesn't stand on the chair. This is not for you.
That is really funny. He always sticks his head in the fridge. These will probably be done by tonight. Did you get them? Oh, we forgot a bag.
I bet New Orleans is my mind.
Oh, did you get New Orleans?
Yeah, I don't know how this going
Are
now.
you upset?
No, not take the other, but just my mind.
Oh,
Denver, Baltimore,
I don't know
Wayne,
why you changed your mind.
Baltimore, Oakland, Arizona, Pittsburgh, San Diego, Chihuahua, Indianapolis, they have the same.
So what does Sparky like?
Everything except lettuce and bread.
Yeah, he just spit out the...
Doesn't have a taste.
He ain't eating
He
it.
ain't eating it.
Oops. Dad, can I go take my nap now?
Yeah, all right, hold on.
You finished your watermelon? You got one to put that in the refrigerator?
Mommy, I'm going to eat.
And Chris, when you go upstairs, take the garbage up like 4 times where I asked you to bring my phone up.
You didn't? Oh yeah, I forgot the other day. My bad.
Going down, coming up, and going down again. Sure enough, you were there.
I forgot.
That's the story of my life.
Look, he thinks it's for him.
Oh, what is he sitting down? Don't even try it. Toss up this cup.
Yeah, please. It's not your pill. It's not time for your pill yet.
9 o'clock.
We're both soft and strong, which is why our products are too. Angel Soft.
Prismacolor Premier Pencils.
Hey.
The artist quality coloring pencils.
Oh, where you going? Oh, he left me.
Life into every page.
Bye.
So don't just color. Prismacolor.
Oh.
I would like 3 weeks
What time did you put those drops in his eye? 2 o'clock, right?
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm not standard. 3 weeks.
Because it said every 8 hours, right?
Yeah. Okay, we see my dog. It's kind of raining out. Very lightly. Come on, Sparky. I thought it stopped raining, but I think it's starting again. And I'm wearing my slippers, so I'm gonna hurry before my socks get wet. Come on. Come on, Buggy. I took him out earlier and he did not want to go. He just peed and ran back in the house. You don't want to go to the fire hydrant? Come on. Come on. There he goes. I know he's gonna go. Oh, I'm surprised he didn't sniff the fire hydrant. Ooh, it's kind of chilly out. I can't wait until it's sunny. They said that it's going to be nice and sunny on Tuesday, so I can't wait. He wants to go this way. Oh, okay. All right. Let me let him do his business. I wasn't expecting him to go to the bathroom right there. Oh, okay, Sparks. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Then he usually waits for me to open the door. Go ahead. Like that. He usually waits. Alright. Good boy. Mucho frío.
Anybody want some reckless chess piece? No, like that.
Alright, I'm going back upstairs.
Alright, baby.
See you later.
Armor. See you later, baby. Armor is 3,130 feet.
Ready, Sparky? Let's go upstairs. Sparky, there's no food.